What's good, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are in the world. We're going to check out Harmony 1 today following the exploit. Can we see a recovery with Harmony 1? We can see that Harmony is ranked 112 now and the market cap is all the way down to $243 million. And to be fair, we've seen a lot of decline and depreciation in the price. We've gone down 7.86% over here, but we have seen a surge in volume recently. So maybe someone has identified a really good undervaluation zone. Looking at the price, we are all the way back down to levels that we last saw over here in November of 2021. February. So either way, these look very, very appealing in terms of the price structure because it's almost back to where we were during the bear market of 2020. Although I don't think we'll ever get back down to those levels. So let's have a little look at what's happening for Harmony 1 on all time frames, as well as just explore a bit of news and kind of find out a bit more about where the project could actually be headed. I really am quite astounded, I suppose, by how transparent some of these projects are. As we can see on the Harmony Twitter right now, God, this morning hair is no good. Our community and ecosystem are everything, and we wish to show all the support and appreciation for you all. Harmony's content and communications teams will be significantly increasing co-marketing efforts over the coming weeks, showcasing the great teams and apps in our ecosystem. We can see here as well, Chainalysis. It is urgent that our investigation is backed by the best teams in the security space. Chainalysis is one of two security partners who are diligently at work attempting to identify the culprits behind the criminal act. And you can see they're looking forward to the resolution. You can see the efforts to review various options are done in parallel to the investigation as well. Just yesterday, they're aware the hacker has begun to move funds through Tornado Cash. The team is working with two highly reputable blockchain tracing and analysis partners. So it's really nice to see this transparency because it really gives a lot of confidence and hope back to the holders and the community. And I think this is what's really suppressing any rally or movement in price right now, because ordinarily if Harmony is this low in price, everyone is going to be buying it and FOMOing in because it's just such an appealing price level. So let's have a look what's also happened on the DeFi Llama. The total value locked, we can see here for Harmony, is all the way down to a very minuscule 52 million. And this is the same total value lock that again we saw all the way back here in July 19, 2021. Pretty much around when we had the first Wyckoff distribution. Of course, this is the DeFi Kingdom's massive pump when the TVL came up to $2 billion, but you can see the amount locked into the protocol right now is pretty much non-existent because a lot of it's just been wiped out. And here's the Decrypt article as well. Harmony offers 1 million bounty after discovering 100 million altcoin hack. So yeah, hackers stole WETH, AVE, Sushi, DAI, USDT, stablecoins, and swapped them all for Ethereum. I'm not going to read through the whole article, but we can see that the team behind Harmony Protocol is offering 1 million reward for information leading to the return of the 100 million in altcoins stolen from its Horizon Bridge. And that was their tweet just 3 days ago. We commit to a 1 million bounty for the return of Horizon Bridge funds and sharing exploit information. Contact us at whitehat@harmony.one or ETH address over here. Harmony will advocate for no criminal charges when funds are returned. Interesting, right? And it just happened on June 23rd. So this is basically 6 days ago when this happened, and hence why there's been such a shock on the price of Harmony 1 cryptocurrency. And it's a shame because it is one of my favorite cryptos. So let's have a look at the price right now. Bit of analysis for you ladies and gents. So we can see we're seeing on the weekly time frame, and it's just been major capitulation since this double top position right here where we lost the neckline. We lost that key support of $0.156. Now we're really underextended on that 20-day moving average. We're not getting any volume, and we are back to prices that we last saw in February 2021, which, to be honest, is a very, very bullish factor in itself. The fact that we're back between this range between 0.0169 and 0.029, where we had, first of all, the major accumulation before the parabolic rally. Of course, we had major support from the 0.0173 here, and we had the first slingshot, then we had a retracement followed by another huge impulse. So that's why it's a very important level. But what we're looking at right now really is this descending channel, falling wedge, whatever you want to call it. If you look at the weekly red candles, Harmony has been battered with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14 or 15 red weekly candles right there. So it's not looking good for Harmony 1. If we flip to the daily time frame, we can see on the relative strength index, we have been oversold multiple occasions now. Terra Luna FUD, Bitcoin 200-week moving average capitulation. And what I'm looking at mainly is actually the fact that we are in a descending channel. Yes, effectively it's a bullish reversal pattern, but within this channel itself, we've actually got ourselves a really nice falling wedge right here. And what's special about this particular falling wedge is that we actually have a bit of a bullish divergence, and I'm going to show you that bullish divergence right now. When we look at the RSI, you can see the price puts through lower lows. However, the RSI has been putting through higher highs sneakishly, very, very stealthy behind the scenes, and we would be anticipating a breakout to the upside of this falling wedge. Although I would want Harmony to respect the 0.0172 support level that was written in from all the way over here in 22 February 2021. So I do want to see Harmony respect that key level of support over there before seeing continuation to the upside. So we could definitely retest 0.017. I do think it's super unlikely that we're going to come down any lower. And like I say, on this daily time frame, we've been oversold on the RSI for such a long time. We've just been sitting around 20 because no one wants to buy it because of the uncertainty attached to the project right now. If we were to get a breakout of this falling wedge, I would be targeting at least the $0.029 level, but typically we do break out of falling wedges anyway quite explosively, and if we were to, you know, the golden pocket is 0.023, but if we do come up to that 1.618 golden fib, it does take us to about that 0.029 level. So I'd be anticipating quite a big reversal wave here. We're oversold. You know, if we can get that breakout, I am probably looking at a 50% pump, to be honest, for Harmony. And I know that sounds ridiculous, but when things have dropped so low, it could effectively happen. And if we were to get the macro breakout over here on 0.029, I think Harmony can even come back up to $0.059. No problems in the next quarter. That's a 220% increase from current levels, because when we do break out of this key resistance, it's pretty much smooth sailing from here back to this swing high that we put through on the 11th of May 2022. So I am absolutely keen to see what might happen here for this great project on the daily time frame as well. When we look at the 20-day moving average, you know, we haven't been above this 20-day moving average for a while. The last time we did break through the 20-day moving average with confidence and volume, we actually anticipated a 30% pump to the upside. So again, even if we were just to look at something much smaller in terms of the pump, a 30% is still going to take us to at least $0.025. So what I'd be waiting for is a breakout. Maybe we get back above the 20-day moving average here for Harmony 1, and I think a pragmatic target is $0.029 at the moment for this particular project. Bollinger Bands, we're sitting at the bottom of the band, so again, it's a good time to effectively go long or grab some Harmony today, in my opinion. If you do want to buy some Harmony 1, use the link down in my description below, guys. It's the safest place to do so. And yeah, exciting times ahead, exciting times ahead. What do we think can happen for Harmony 1 in 2, 3 or 4 years? Well, I think it's also good to look at this. We can see the last time we had the swing high to swing low, Harmony put through a 1.618 to 2.272. So now we're back in a supply phase. We've got lots of accumulation opportunity. I'd be looking at least a 0.6, 0.5 for Harmony by the next crypto bull run. I think that's quite a pragmatic target right there. It's not too bullish. It's not moon boy. It's not cowboy. It's, you know, there's a reason why I think it could happen. Now quickly flip into this 1 hour time frame just before we go. Again, it is a clear falling wedge descending channel, and I think we are going to break out to the upside. Of course, don't hold me accountable, because we could still lose the support on this lower trend line and come back down to that 0.0172 level. Crypto bubbles today, guys. Well, we can see Ethereum is up a little bit on the week. ADA is up. On the daily, let's have a look what's going on. Got some red in the market, so ETH is actually down 8% on the day, Bitcoin is down 5%. We're back to that $20,000 level for Bitcoin, so things are looking a bit sensitive once again. Maybe investors are becoming worried once again as well. Bitcoin rainbow chart, however, it does tell us it's a good time to start grabbing crypto, and that's what I'm starting to do at these levels, because to be honest, sometimes the most simple indicators are the best. If we're in blue, I'm going to buy, and I don't care where we are. If I can put just a little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit here, a little bit there, I know that I am buying Bitcoin at its fair value, or at least closer to its undervaluation zones. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, do smash subscribe, hit the like, comment down below, let me know what you want to see as well on this channel, as I will be sticking around through the bear markets. Thank you so much, and bye for now.